Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest. Today just a very quick video. At GearBest we have many power banks. Everybody that uses a smartphone usually needs a power bank, or at least it's very convenient to have one. I have one here, a Xiaomi smartphone. But anyway, if you have a tablet or any other devices really that you can plug in with a USB cable, having a power bank with you is always very convenient. It happened to all of us, you know, when we go out at night or wherever in the middle of the day, our smartphones the power just runs out when we need to do that important call or send that important life-saving message. So at GearBest we have some of the best actually power banks is the Xiaomi power banks. I have two different models here. It's three cases, but it's actually two different models. It's the Xiaomi Power Bank 2, so that's the second iteration for the Xiaomi power banks. I'm going to show you some of them. We have here the bigger one, the black model. I think it's black or like very dark blue. And once you remove it, you have the box. Everything is very tightly packed. It's very nicely packed. Let me see if I can open it. Yep, and let me remove this, by the way, just a second. So once you open it, you have the box right here. And actually you have the power bank with a little instruction manual and with a cable. So you don't need to get extra cables. You have it right here, the USB cable to charge, and you can connect to the power bank. Has a nice design, very sleek. It's typical Xiaomi. Has a sticker here. You remove the sticker and all the ports are in view. So we have two USB ports, one micro USB here, so you can plug it, and then you will put the other end in the actual charging unit so you can charge your power bank. So with the cable included in the power bank, you can either plug in, this is a micro USB cable, by the way, included. If your device is type C, you need to get a type C cable, which you probably already have. Anyway, you plug it in. It has fast charging, by the way, so if your device, again, if it supports fast charging, these power banks are good for that, and you will get your device charged in no time. So you plug the other end here in the actual electricity, usually your power unit, to charge the power bank. Vice versa, you can connect the main USB head into this one of the USB ports. If you have the cable as so, with the main USB port here and the micro USB in the other end, you can just, you pick up your smartphone, which I have one here with a micro USB port. You just plug it and it should start charging immediately. Yeah, there you go. So that's pretty much it. If your device has a type C USB port, well, you probably have the cable, you can use those as well. So this is the 10,000 milliamp power bank, by the way, from Xiaomi. But there's others. There's a smaller one. This is the 5,000 milliamp. So if you don't want to carry such a big one, you have, there you go, same contents. You have this version here, which is smaller. It's more lightweight. Let me see if I can open it. And yeah, there you go. So this is the 5,000 milliamp power bank right here in silver, kind of silver white. And finally, another model, similar to the dark one, another 10,000, 10K milliamp. So there you go. Also, you can choose whatever you prefer. Of course, the bigger ones are slightly heavier, but they can charge a lot more. They can charge your iPhone up to 2 or 3 times at least, and depending on your devices, what's the battery capacity. You can, for sure, if it's fully charged, it can charge your device completely, no problem. So that's it. Check the link below for all the details, all the pricing, like and subscribe, and check GearBest. We have many power banks. Thank you very much.